Bad realtors, red flags, and ridiculous things to look out for are coming up later in this video. But before searching for a realtor, clearly define what you want. Are you looking to buy rental properties, flips, commercial properties, etc.? Your choice of realtor should align with your investment goals. Remember that previous experience matters. Ideally, you'd want a realtor who has experience with real estate investing. They can provide insights on cash flow, property management, appreciation, local rental markets, and other vital investment-related topics. Ask them about their personal real estate investment experience. A realtor who has personal experience in real estate investing will likely understand the needs and concerns of an investor better. Seek recommendations from fellow investors, friends, or family members who have recently bought or sold property. Check online reviews and ratings on Zillow, Realtor.com, and Yelp. Once you have a list of potential realtors, interview them. Ask about their experience, their strategy for helping investors, their knowledge of the local market, etc. You can even ask for references and speak to their past clients, especially those who have invested in real estate. Beware of red flags. Watch out for commission-focused realtors. It's natural for realtors to earn commissions, but be wary of those who push you to make hasty decisions to close a deal quickly. Your realtor should prioritize your best interests. Look for a lack of local knowledge. Your realtor should have a good understanding of local market trends, neighborhoods, and property values. Also, poor communication is bad. Your realtor should be responsive and communicate effectively. If they're hard to reach or don't provide clear answers, it might be a sign to look elsewhere. Trust your gut. Ultimately, you'll want to work with someone you trust and feel comfortable with. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to move on and find someone else. Before signing an agreement to work with them, discuss the fees. While many realtors have set commission rates, some are willing to negotiate, especially if you plan on doing multiple transactions. Thoroughly understand any contracts or agreements you're asked to sign. To expand your search, consider joining local real estate investor groups. They can be valuable sources for referrals and advice. Networking can lead you to realtors who specialize in working with investors. Remember, no one is perfect. Every realtor will have their strengths and weaknesses. Choose one that aligns most closely with your needs and investment goals. To get the funding, though, you have to find a lender that is willing to work with investors like you. We have our video on finding investor-friendly lenders right here.